much smaller in general. It's a much smaller size. It's actually much easier to go and kind of, take it around with you. And this is the cheapest model that they serve. This is the $600 option. So a little bit of the outside. On the front side of this particular Mac, you have two USB Type-C ports on the front. So these are standard USB Type-C ports. These are not Thunderbolt ports, but they're still very nice that they give you this type of capability. You're getting your headphone jack at the very front, as well as an LED indicator that tells you whether it's on or off. On the right and left sides, there's not really much else going on. You have the Apple logo at the very top. And on the back side, you're getting your standard AC adapter. So this is what you use to go and actually power it up. You're getting an Ethernet port, an HDMI port, and then 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports. So you're getting a lot of different ports around this particular thing. The fact that you're getting 3 on the back and 2 on the front is really, really cool. But we're not done yet. On the bottom, you are actually getting your power button. So this is a new design. I'm not really too sure why Apple did this, but we now basically have this new design on the backside. So you now have this power button here, which is cool. I'm glad we have it, but to kind of shimmy it around a little bit. Now to go and set your M4 Mac Mini up, it's very, very basic. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is on the backside, you want to take a look at the ports. You have your AC adapter right here. So the very first thing to grab is basically your AC adapter. So grab your AC adapter that you have. This is basically this particular cord that you have inside of the box. This is what you're going to use to power up your Mac. So grab that AC adapter and go ahead and plug it in on the back side just like so. And then you can go and plug in the other side into some sort of port or some sort of outlet. Now you have a few different options of how you want to go and display this on a display. You can either display it on display via using Thunderbolt or via HDMI. So if you have a Thunderbolt port or an HDMI port, so you can kind of choose whichever one you want. Now the last thing you're going to want to do is go and connect either a Magic Mouse or like a wireless mouse or a wireless keyboard to your particular Mac. So what you can do is you can, once you power on your Mac for the first time, so make sure it's powered up, you can click on this power button then to power it up. You want to go ahead and connect your lightning cable or whatever cable you have and connect it to your mouse and to your keyboard. So go ahead, grab your mouse, go ahead and plug it in. Make sure it turns on and make sure it's discovered to your Mac. And then once you let go, this should be connected. Make sure it's on. And then you can go ahead and grab your keyboard at the same time. And you can go ahead and plug your keyboard in like this. And then that's it. So your Mac Mini, for the most part, as of this point, should go ahead and already be set up. You should have your keyboard, you should have your mouse, you should have it powered on, and you should have it displayed on a screen of some sort. So now I'm going to go and transition into my actual display. And I'll go and show you kind of the main ways of kind of using your Mac. Again, if you want to go and kind of use this thing and plug in accessories, you can also use the front port. But once you power this thing on and display it to a screen, there's a few things you may want to configure. So I'll go and show you my display and we can kind of go from there.